So there I was, spraying off another school bus, on my summer break, working for petty cash. No, I'm just kidding, guys. This is my mini school bus. I want to tell you the entire story, but we're going to need to back it up a little bit. So in January, we bought a mini school bus. After not even looking for super long, we quickly got to work going ahead and tearing out the seats and obviously incorrectly using tools. Yikes. February came and Sam really found his calling with this bus. He was waking up at 5, 6 every morning before work to spend some time focusing on it, and Butler definitely had his fair share of time in the bus too. In February, we really also tackled a handful of pretty big projects in the bus, kind of framing and getting things set. Obviously, trying to figure out Butler's crate situation in there. I got to use some power tools. Love that for me. By March, it was finally nice enough to work on the exterior of the bus, so here I am applying some Tropicool to the top of the bus while simultaneously torturing my son by keeping him indoors and safe. Hey guys!
Hey.
So, we are actually sitting right in front of the bus that we painted this weekend! Yay!
So happy that it's done.
Yeah.
It was trying and we learned a lot, but yeah, I think it turned out really well.
I think it's awesome. What do you guys think of the color? I think the purpose of this video is just to kind of break down what we did as far as painting. We looked at a handful of different methods.
Right.
We're talking getting it wrapped, getting it professionally painted, using strictly Rust-Oleum to paint it.
And there's so many resources on the internet, and there's so many different ways that people have approached this step of any kind of conversion.
Oh, that's under.
Love it. From under $75 to getting it professionally done for $9,000, which obviously wasn't really in our budget, but we wanted some kind of middle ground where we could kind of do it ourselves with a little bit of professional help.
Now we wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of all the products that we used. Everything that we used you guys can find at your local Automotive Sherwin-Williams.
First, we prepared the substrate, the surface of our bus, by stripping off as much paint as we could. Annie was really good at stripping off all the paint from the side. Annie was really good at stripping.
Sam went ahead and sanded as well. What grit did you use? Did you wind up going up to a 400 to get everything off?
Yeah, so I started with a 220 grit sandpaper and then went all the way up to a 400B. All that was done, we washed the bus with a pressure washer, thanks to our neighbor.
We also used TSP, so it was pressure wash, TSP wash, back to pressure washing.
Exactly, and TSP is trisodium phosphate. It's great for preparing surfaces for painting.
Yes, science!
As soon as that was dry, we prepared our epoxy primer. We used a spray gun. We used just about like $100 spray gun from Home Depot. It didn't need a compressor or anything. You just load in the paint and spray it right on. When we applied our primer, we had to use about a 10% reducer, hot weather reducer. Is what came recommended from the lady at Sherwin-Williams. She was super helpful.
She was, and that might vary based on where you live, what climate you're painting in. Are you painting outdoors like we did? Do you have, you know, a concealed space? So definitely just take that into consideration. You should be able to get a printout, just a guideline to follow, and they will walk you through everything. They were incredibly helpful.
Absolutely. So that went on pretty quick and easy. Dried in about an hour.
We will totally put a link down below. We will list the type of primer that we use. We'll find it, but that is completely out. And then the only paint that we have remaining is a little itty bitty pint that I picked up yesterday to do touch-ups with. So we used up the gallon, and then this was our touch-up paint.
And this is a single stage. It's called the ATX HP single stage in the color of your choice. Obviously we went with the teal because that's just what we like. That was mixed with a with more reducer and some hardener, which we don't have on hand at the moment. And the ratios are pretty important. You want 4 parts paint, 3 parts reducer, and 1 part hardener. If you follow that ratio, you should be set.
Coffee number 2, tape, and Yorgos. So we have a little picnic going. don't know if I told you guys, Sam slept in here the other night. It was so hot in our house.
It was dreamy. Oh, breeze coming through. Heard the rain on the roof.
Welcome to my craft corner. This is where we do all kinds of arts and crafts. Pay attention. Left side done. All right, you learn about the moon. We'll see you in a little bit.
Then we can start working.
And we can actually start with the primer. Here's how it's looking. Everything's coming along. Seems like the rain's holding off, which we're very thankful for. Oh yeah, that looks way better.
So 1, 2, the bumper and the windshield.
2 windows, bumper, windshield, and we'll be good.
Oh, and lights.
Oh yeah, the top 4 lights. Okay, we're like slowly finding little extra things to do that we need to wrap. Oh, and the back tire.
Yeah.
Okay. Paint time. All right, we're ready. We're excited. I believe that the white primer was back ordered, so we just got gray, which will be fine. It's gonna be covered. Okay.
So this is for the industrial primer. It's 5:20 now.
Heck yeah, we're good to go.
Cool.
Okay, so it's been 2 hours since we technically started. So,
Color.
oh, that looks beautiful.
This is.
You mean a pour or mix? Alright, first spray of the blue. Give me a hold.
Yeah, you can grab the wire.
Sam's just doing some quick little finishing touches. We're probably going to do a couple more walks around just to make sure we hit everything the best we could, and then we're going to wait, let it dry for a few hours, and then we'll peel back and reveal. Welcome to Big Blue.
Big old blue.
She's done.
Julia,
What do you think?
The Schoolia. Julio, the Schoolio. I think we did a good job. So that's what we did from start to finish. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know.
If you guys want to see more content like this from us, leave the video a like, leave us a comment below as well, and we'll definitely get to filming some more of this awesome process. Bye guys.
Bye.